Project and asset reality can be uncertain. Information can be difficult to find. Status can be difficult to determine. Is the project on schedule? Has it been built correctly? Where is my data? How can we create total certainty and transparency so information is easily found? The VEERUM Digital Twin is a data-agnostic platform that ingests all asset data into a simple-to-use 3D visualization platform. It is accessible to all stakeholders via web browser from anywhere in the world. From design to construction to handover to operations, VEERUM's asset visualization platform adds value to the entire asset lifecycle. Visualize the real-time status of your projects from the safety and convenience of the office. A drone is flown a safe distance from the worksite. The site is digitized in minutes. Laser scanning is conducted for areas where more accuracy is required or where a drone cannot fly. During the design phase, 3D CAD models and 2D drawings are built representing the final design. A baseline schedule is created in the form of an S-curve representing planned progress against time. Reality and design models are brought together into one online 3D viewing environment within 24 hours. Visualizing data is helpful, but understanding quality and progress brings true value to decision-making. The digital twin enables this by continuously comparing and analyzing project plans to reality. Quality issues are easily identified for rapid mitigation. Components are digitized at the point of manufacturing. Quality is verified by matching reality to design. Components are virtually assembled and placed on the digital site to assist in construction planning and ensure no clashes. Information about site objects are easily accessible using the Objects tab. Here you can search for objects and groups of objects. By clicking on a component, asset stakeholders can find all the relevant information about that object. Two-way integrations link objects in the digital twin to document management systems. You can communicate issues to the rest of the project team. With the Annotations tool, you can leave location-based tags for others to see and act upon. Historical information about the site is maintained in the cloud. This provides a total audit history of the project. Toggling different layers, users can go back in time to visualize the site as it was. We can analyze progress achieved over a certain time period. This view shows a 3D volume of the exact Earth moved in 1 week. The color heat map shows current earthwork status. Red means that the Earth needs to be cut, and blue means the Earth needs to be filled. Green means it is complete. This tells the workers exactly how much Earth needs to be moved and where. This heat map is updated regularly as new drone data becomes available. Periodic laser scans compared to each other show any movement. The color coding shows how much and where. By matching reality to design, component status is automatically determined. Components are color-coded. Green is installed and in tolerance. Yellow is installed and out of tolerance. And red is not installed. This then automatically updates progress curves by commodity. The digital twin has many powerful tools that aid in managing the project. Measurements are made with ease for material takeoff. Cross-sections allow the team to inspect the site in detail, showing exact coordinates and measurements of design against reality. Users can select and export data from the digital twin into third-party design software, enabling engineering within reality. Use the Saved Views button to share your view in the digital twin with relevant stakeholders. You can also bookmark common views for future analysis. Virtual site visits eliminate the need for restrictive, hazardous, and expensive travel. Project personnel can plan work from a remote, safe location to eliminate line-of-fire risks. Reduce operator error by giving them the full visual context of the site. Instead of taking the user to the site, take the site to the user with the digital twin. Review muster point locations before entering the field. Identify isolation points with off-site planning and pre-task job review. Show contractors superpositions of actual and design to improve bid and execution quality. By helping understand where you are versus where you need to be, the digital twin helps the project team make fully informed decisions to ensure project success. Delivering the future of project execution in today's connected world.